Justin here from Trek4x4, just introducing a installation video on a Ford Ranger Next Gen 2022. We've got the twin drawer system, the 290 height. Tony's just going to check that it's all in place. We've already done this, but we're just doing it for the video just to show you. So this is what I've referred to as the center bar. Should be nice and plumb center. But you measure left and right, rear left and right, and adjust it if required. If you're getting this via freight, basically the drawers will already be in here. So the two strut channels at the back, which I'll highlight shortly, basically where you're fixing it in. You drag the drawer back and the deck will be off, or take the deck off, and to expose those two strut channels, and that's where you're fixing it in. I'll just show you here what we've done. Basically, on the top of the corrugations in your tub, we've marked out and put a nutsert. There's another video on nutsert, which is there, how to install one of them. And we've also marked out where the points on the strut channel here, which we've marked out just so we don't have to measure it again, similar to here, where we can just basically put our nut and bolt in. So we're at that stage now. We're basically fixing the skeleton or the frame to the floor, and I'll pause the video here. So this is with the bolt and the washer in. You got two on the left and two on the right. Tony's putting the side bins in, which you can see here. Basically going to get pop riveted in. All of the holes like so, but in obviously the flashing down on the other side, they'll marry up to the corresponding holes on the on this little bit of flashing here. So there's obviously you don't need an air gun. You can just use another, what is it, hand rivet gun. Okay, we've installed the drawers and the side wings are now pop riveted on. So if yours is being freighted, well, basically you pull it out all the way out and you fix into the two back ones here. Tony's going to, with the next stage is actually putting the crossbars into this section down here. So the locking crossbar is in, so basically the drawer stops at that point. So if ever you're trying to get the drawers out, you need to drill out these pop rivets to be able to get the drawer completely out, otherwise it locks exactly there. Next step's to put in the fixing points for, there's three either side. When you put these in, it's going into a nut set on the other side, so just feel the thread all the way around before you start tightening it down. And that'll put the deck on and we're nearly there. So there you have the twin drawers fitted up. You just got to give it a bit of a wipe down. But the side wings are on, the side panels. You'll find the keys on the inside of the drawer, and just tape these ones in here. Yeah, thanks for watching the video, and certainly any questions, just flick us an email.